Welcome to Lotte Center, Hanoi, one of Vietnam's most modern landmarks and the second tallest building in the city. Rising 272 meters above the capital, it's a place where you can see all of Hanoi from the sky. A perfect mix of beauty, design, and emotion. In this video, VietnamTour.in will show you why visiting Lotte Center is one of the best things to do in Hanoi. From breathtaking skyline views to shopping, dining, and unforgettable memories. Located in Ba Dinh district, just 10 minutes from the old quarter, Lotte Center Hanoi is a 65-story skyscraper combining luxury shopping, restaurants, offices, and the famous Lotte observation deck on the top floors. Here, you'll find everything in one place. A world-class experience that gives you both the modern and cultural sides of Hanoi. Getting here is easy. From Hanoi Old Quarter, it's only about 5 kilometers, a 15 to 20 minute ride by taxi or Grab. You can also include it in your Hanoi city tour with VietnamTour.in, combining famous sites like the Ho Chi Minh Mausoleum, West Lake, and the Lotte Center in one perfect day. The real highlight of Lotte Center Hanoi is the Lotte observation deck, located from the 65th to the 67th floors. From here, you can enjoy the most stunning Hanoi skyline view, especially during sunset. The ticket price is around 230,000 Vietnamese dong, 800 rupees for adults, and 170,000 Vietnamese dong, 600 rupees for children. The deck opens daily from 9 a.m. to 11 p.m. so you can visit anytime, but come around 5 p.m. for the golden hour. Don't miss the thrilling skywalk with its glass floor, the sky photo zone, and the rooftop cafe that lets you sip coffee while watching Hanoi light up below. Below the observation deck, you'll find a huge shopping mall filled with international and Korean brands, cosmetics, fashion, electronics, and souvenirs. If you're hungry, explore the food court with Vietnamese, Korean, Japanese, and even Indian-friendly dishes. Some restaurants offer vegetarian options, and you can also find cafes with panoramic city views. Perfect for a relaxing evening. Lotte Center Hanoi is perfectly located to combine with other top attractions. After your sky-high experience, visit West Lake or the Ho Chi Minh Mausoleum, both just 10 minutes away. A great one-day itinerary could be morning city tour, afternoon shopping, and evening at Lotte Observation Deck for sunset. VietnamTour.in can help you plan this seamless experience, including tickets, transfers, and local guides. A few quick tips before you go. Bring your passport or e-ticket, QR for entry. Arrive early for sunset to get the best view and avoid crowds. Spend at least 2 to 3 hours to fully enjoy the view, shopping, and food. If you prefer a stress-free visit, let VietnamTour.in handle your bookings, from tickets to private transport, so you can focus on enjoying your time in the sky. From the top of Lotte Center Hanoi, you'll see a different side of the city, where tradition meets modern life, and the lights of Hanoi stretch endlessly into the night. It's not just a view, it's a feeling, a moment you'll always remember. Let VietnamTour.in craft your Hanoi journey. Smooth, comfortable, and full of amazing memories. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel stories about things to do in Hanoi and across Southeast Asia.